How do you add a link to your YouTube short? It's easier than you think, but understand, gone are the days of adding links to comments or descriptions. They are done. So what you'll see in going forward is what's called a related video. It's shown at the bottom of your video. Once you click on the button, you will be redirected to the long-form video. So how do you do it? Start by getting on the desktop version of YouTube and not your mobile. You can only do it from the desktop. The first thing you'll do is head to content. Now pick a YouTube short you want to do this with. Click the pencil icon that says details. Scroll to the far right where it says related video. It's here you can go ahead and make your selection of the video you want to showcase as your long form video from that YouTube short. Search the video you want to use. Always remember to click save, and that's it. One more than in order for this to work. Head to settings. From there, click on channel. Click on feature eligibility. Advanced features must be enabled. From there, you are good to go. Want to learn more about building your YouTube channel up and how to get your first 100 subscribers? Head to the description box below. Until then, see you soon.